Artoonza.
In today's fun and easy tutorial, we're going to draw ice alphabet and ice numbers that will make your teeth chatter. Drawing time. Let's have a lot of fun together. 1, 2, 3. We're talking ABC 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 ABC style. The kind that makes you want to do a silly little dance, even if you're pretending not to. Give us a big thumbs up.
Wow!
This is so amazing. No. I'm not telling, but it's totally worth the wait. Give us your like.
Aww, so cute.
Ready to splash some color. Let's color together. Shoo, go away. Yellow. Red. Color. Orange. Give us your like. Blue. Whoopsie doodle. Time for a little creative fix. This is better. Don't be shy, color high.
Aww, so cute.
Green. Color. Hit that like button now. Purple? Snowy white. Mix it up. Color. Black. This is much better. Actually, it's great. Glitter time. Let's make it shine. Hit that like button now.
Wow!
Aww, so cute.
A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.